Hi everyone, Ed at RU Cars. This is our 2014 Audi A5. It's a 2 litre TDI Black Edition, 51,000 miles, and presented in the Audi exclusive Samoa Orange. The car looks absolutely stunning. It's got 7 services with it, 6 Audi main dealer, most recent done in-house with us. Being the Black Edition, you get the black grills and the black pack. Got the xenon lights, the 19-inch rotors, and I'm just going to try and look at this colour. Difficult to show it on video with the artificial light, but yeah, look at that. It's absolutely mint. Drives without fault. It's got the Bang & Olufsen audio, parking sensors, all the bits and bobs that you get on your standard Black Edition. But yeah, obviously the colour is the best thing about this, in my opinion anyway. £2,600 optional extra when new. Car's all marked, as you can see as we're walking around. Just look at it. It's a real eyeful. It's not even any stone chips. Well, yeah, I like it anyway, if you couldn't tell. Inside is mint. It's got the black Napa leather. I'll just show you in the boot to begin with. All nice and clean. Got the split fold rear seats and the space saver wheel under there. Just try and show you the rear seats. I'm not going to climb in there, being a 3-door, I'm too big for that. But you've got your Isofix and your 2 seats and your armrest. As I say, it's got the black Napa leather, which is all unmarked. Really, really nice. Seats heated as well. Got your folding mirrors, your electric windows on the door card, and this one's also got the extended leather door card armrests. Got your flat bottom steering wheel. Auto lights and wipers, obviously, cruise control. MMI 3G, so the latest style nav. Dual climate control with your heated seats, as I mentioned. And as you can see there, 51,429 on the miles, no warning lights, they all illuminated and went out as they should. Car does drive without fault. Radio works when it's on the right wave band. There we go, we've got the DAB, FM, AM, as you've heard. We've also got jukebox, DVD, SD and Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth telephone and your navigation all there and working. Heated seats, as I say. Auto dip mirror package. That's about it. Don't anticipate this car being around for too long. I know it is a bit Marmite with the colour, but I think it's going to be very popular. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.